You trying to copy me?
Hey y'all,
Hey.
we're gardening today.
Yay. Finally you have nice weather.
Yes, very nice. It's like 80 degrees. I'm sweating like crazy.
I'm not sweating. I'm very comfortable.
We've tilled 3 rows for potatoes, and we're gonna see how many we can fit per row because I don't remember from last year.
We have 150 pounds of Kennebec potatoes.
Yes.
I also have 10 random red potatoes that were in the pantry sprouting eyes, and I saved them. So I got to go. I got to find out. I don't remember where I put them. I need to find those because I want to stick them in the ground too.
Okay.
I was like, hey, they're organic potatoes I bought from the store, and they're sprouting as well. We're not going to eat them at this point, so might as well plant them. Yep. So I do need to get those at some point.
Yep. We're also gonna put plastic down. We put our pigs in here. If y'all remember, we let the pigs run all over this garden and clean it all up and like kind of use their pig tillers. And then
exhibit the pigness of the pig.
Exhibiting the pigness of the pig. I dragged it with my box blade afterwards just to smooth everything out. And we've got some weeds and grass growing, which we knew we would. But for the first time ever, we're going to plastic our garden, like to try to choke these weeds out before we plant. So I think we have, what, a month or so before we're going to be planting?
Probably close to a month. Hi, baby.
So we're going to put the plastic down. It'll definitely stunt these weeds. They're just teeny tiny, like this big right now. So it's going to like hopefully burn them out and just kill them off. And we won't have near the weed problem this year that we've had in the years past.
That'll be great.
We've also got tons of mulch, like a mountain of mulch back here that we're going to start using between our rows.
You show them the mountain of mulch. It's a lot.
Oh, it is.
You
yes.
Show them. You can describe it, but it's like huge.
I wasn't exaggerating.
I should stand in front of it for size
Okay, she's
comparison.
going to stand in front of it. Let's go see the mountain of mulch.
It's a huge mountain of mulch.
Yes, and it goes way back.
For comparison,
loads and loads. I don't even know how many loads it is.
I don't know. I'm roughly 5 foot and half an inch.
5 foot and 3/4 of an inch to be exact.
Yeah, so maybe with these shoes on, I'm probably 5'1".
Yeah. So yep.
Whoa! Faith and Lydia are going to find the mountain. The mulch goes that way.
Mulch back there, mulch back here. There's a lot of mulch.
This apple tree looks nice.
It is. It's in full bloom. Actually, the blooms are starting to die off now.
Derek fed hay under it this year, a bale. So hopefully we're trying to kind of fertilize it with the cows. So anyway.
Yeah. This year I put a bale under each of our fruit trees. Just like stuck in a round bale.
Not the orchard trees.
No, not the orchard trees. The trees that were here when we bought the farm, the wild fruit trees, if you will, and feral trees. I just put a round bale under each one and let the cows eat that bale of hay. So their manure and their urine and then the hay composting should start adding nutrients to the soil under these trees.
Yeah.
That's my hope anyway. So I'll do that for the next several years and we'll see what happens.
You trying to copy me?
It's hot.
It is hot.
You know it's hot when Jenna's got her
I already have a farmer's
bared.
tan because I up-potted like 160 tomatoes. I was cutting back on tomatoes this year, and then it turned out I didn't actually when I went and up-potted all the little seedlings. I was like, oops, my bad. Uh-oh.
Yes.
Anyway, so I have a farmer's tan.
Well, you're a farmer, so it's suitable.
So it works. Okay, anyway. So it's 3 days.
3 days later.
3 days since the last you saw us planting potatoes.
Yep. Since the last clip in this video.
Right.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Because we are super busy. It's a very, very busy time of year. And then it was too windy for a couple of days to do what we wanted to do in here. And there was Easter. So
yeah, it was
there was a lot going on.
And yeah, busy.
Very busy.
So, we ended up with 7 3/4 rows of potatoes, and I forgot to bring my red ones. I meant to get them and put them in the end of the row. So we'll have those to put in at
down here
at some point.
Yeah.
Soon.
The kids are picking up rocks and throwing them out. I thought it would be, I mean, you don't want rocks in your garden. I don't think we'll ever not have rocks in this garden. Maybe when we turn 100, we'll probably have them all out.
I
But
doubt it.
I'm thinking if we get them out, the biggest ones at least, it'd be less likely that they'll poke holes in the plastic.
Yeah.
So I haven't plastic large areas like this before, but I'm thinking we can roll it out, spread it out, and put dirt on it or on the
all
edges.
these rocks they're throwing.
Well, I don't want to poke holes
in
it. Oh,
that's right.
Yeah. I'd like to be able to use this plastic for the next several years because it's pricey.
Yeah. But we've got to do a weed barrier for now.
Yeah.
We had mulched this garden for several years, and the last year, nothing grew, like, at all. It was weird. We planted and nothing grew. In theory, it should have been the best year yet because it was aged mulch, and I don't know, it was bizarre.
There was a lot of weeds, and we were building a house. So,
yeah. So we didn't have a lot of time and effort to put in here. Anyway, and so we put the pigs in here, and they've tilled it all up. So that's good. It's nice and fertile. When it's wet, it smells really fertile. And the kids are like, it smells like a swamp. It stinks. I'm like, yep, it's going to be good soil. So anyway, we need to...
As we're sitting here talking, the wind is picking up more. So I think we should get to plasticking, see how this goes. And
we have strawberry plants to plant over in the other bed over there and some other things. So let's
get this going.
Let's do this.
We quickly decided it was easier to till along the edges to loosen up the dirt so we can throw it onto the plastic. And I'm not sure what to do where we seam it, where the two ends meet. So what we're going to do, we've put the dirt over onto this plastic, and then we're going to fold that plastic over, put the new piece under it. After we put the piece under this, we will fold the piece of plastic back over the piece under. So this is coming over, this will come over, and then we'll drag the dirt onto the top of both of them. That's the plan. Here it is. We're going to come around. You're not in the camera. That way.
The Vanna White.
Lots of plastic.
Yep. I got the strawberries planted. Emma helped me. Jacob helped us a little bit. And I didn't bring my gloves, which is okay. But my hands are very dirty. Yeah. So that's it for this garden for right now.
Yeah. This ought to be really good.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll really cut down on the weeds and make our life easier for the rest of this growing season.
Yeah, I think it will.
I think so too.
I think are we going to mulch in between our rows too?
Yes,
we have lots of mulch we showed you, and we can mulch between our rows. I think that will help, and yeah, I think it's going to be good.
Yeah, that's a lot of square footage of plastic.
Yeah.
For those of you who don't know, this garden is like 130 feet from end to end and 65 feet wide. Yeah. So 130 by 65. So that gives you an idea of how big it is. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but
pretty big garden.
Yeah, it's a good sized garden.
Yep, we have 150 pounds of potatoes in here. We couldn't find my red ones. I don't know what happened to them. I'll have to look for them.
It's hard to tell.
Mama hasn't looked yet, so they're not lost till I can't find them, right?
It's true. It's true.
Yep,
well, that's going to wrap up this video.
Yep.
And if you're not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Click the like button below and click the little notification bell and leave a comment. We always like to hear from you guys. If there's anything in particular y'all want to see, leave a comment below and we'll try to get a video of that. We garden, we milk cows, we raise beef cows, we milk goats. We homestead pretty much
You have
anything
bees.
homesteading.
Been working bees lately.
I have been making splits off bees. We'll see how that turns out.
Pigs, all the things. I don't know.
Yep.
So.
All right. Well, we'll catch you on the next. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.
See y'all later.